Today we're going to work on solving proportions, but we're going to solve them by first simplifying one of the ratios and then using the multiplication property of equality to figure out the missing piece. Let's look at some examples. In this example, I have a proportion 12 over 10 is equal to A over 15. So the first thing I need to do is simplify my ratio. Both of these numbers are even, so they're both divisible by 2. When I divide them both by 2, I get 6 over 5. Using the multiplication property of equality, I can see that if I multiply 5 by 3, I will get 15. I have to multiply my top number or the other number in my ratio by the same number. So I have to multiply both numbers of my ratio, 6 over 5, by 3. And if I do that, 6 times 3, that will give me what the value of A is. And A is 18. Let's look at another example. Y over 6 is equal to 2 over 4. Again, these numbers are even, so I can divide them both by 2. When I divide them by 2, my ratio is now 1/2, or 1 to 2. Using the multiplication property of equality, I know that if I multiply 2 times 3, I'm going to get 6. So whatever I multiply one number of my ratio by, I have to multiply the other number by the same thing. So I know that y is going to equal 3 times 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. And thinking back, that makes sense because my simplified ratio is 1/2, and 3 over 6 is the same thing as 1/2. With our last example, 6 over 9, I'm going to simplify that ratio. I know that both of these numbers are divisible by 3. When I divide 6 by 3, I'm going to get 2. 9 divided by 3 is going to be 3. Using the multiplication property of equality, I know that 3 times 2 is 6. Whatever I multiply one number of my ratio by, I have to multiply the other number by the same thing. So W is going to equal 2 times 2, which is 4.